Having trouble logging in Citicareer? Hi guys, it's Mekran from Tech Basis. I'm back again with easy tutorial. Login in Citicareer is quite easy. Without any delay, let's start the video. Open your web browser. Start by launching your preferred web browser on your computer. Navigate to Citicareer website. Type Citicareer login into the search bar and click on the link top. Access the login page. Once you are on Citicareer website, look for login or sign in option. This is usually located at top right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed. Enter your email. On the login page, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Provide your password. Below the email field, there should be a space provided for your password. Enter your password associated with Citicareer account. Ensure that you enter it correctly to avoid any login errors. If you don't have an account yet, click on enroll. If you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password. Click on the login button. Once you have entered your email and password, click on login button. This will submit your login credential for verification. Complete two-factor authentication if enabled. Depending on your account settings, Citicareer might require two-factor authentication for added security. If prompted, enter the verification code sent to your mobile device or email. Access your account dashboard. After successfully logging in, you should be redirected to Citicareer account dashboard. Here you can view job postings, apply for position, manage your profile, and perform other relevant tasks. That's it. You have successfully logged into your Citicareer account. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more future tutorials.